Good day, ma'am. My name is Shamel Bernaldez from Block 6, and this is my project, and it's all about flight reservation system. So first is this package flight reservation system. It defines the namespace for your class so it can be organized and reused. And this line is import javax.swing. It allows use of GUI components like JFrame, JLabel, and JText field. This java.out provides layout and graphics classes. In java.out.event is imported for event handling but isn't directly used. Java.sql provides JDBC classes for their connection, prepare statement, or etc. The last is java.util.login enables logging errors, although it's not used in this version. So in this line, public class declares a public class named flight reservation system, which contains the entire GUI and database logic. In this line, it declares input fields for flight number, departure, arrival, and number of seats. In this status here is a label to show message whether success or error. So we have to move here. In here, this public flight reservation system, this constructor sets the GUI window and initializes all components when the class is instantiated. So in here, JFrame, it creates the main application window in the title, which is the flight reservation system. In this line, frame.setLayout, it sets the layout manager to grid layout with 7 rows and 2 columns organizing components in a grid. In this frame.add in here, it adds the label and corresponding text field for the flight numbers. Then G-button btn creates the 4 buttons for CRUD operations and adds them to the GUI. And in this status, new JLabel in here, status label, a label to display feedback messages to the user, success or failure. So we need to move button actions in here. Set up event listeners for each button, calling the respective methods when clicked. This frame.setSize, it sets the window size, centers to the window on screen, specifies that the program should exit when the window closes, and makes the window visible. That's why we have jframe.exit on close. In this, the private, this is the database connection. It loads the MySQL JDBC driver. establishes a connection to my database, which is Bernaldez database, using username, root, and no password. Now we have to move here in create method. In this private void create flight, prepares an SQL insert statement to add a new flight. Then in this here, try opens the database connection and prepares SQL statements. Then in here we have here pst.setString. This executes to fills in the placeholders, the question mark. Here, look, when you see this, in the SQL with user input from the form. And in this catch, it catches and prints any error that occurs during this process. So we have to move here in read or search method. In this part, in here, we have prepared an SQL select query to find a flight by its number. Then in this try, we need to execute the query and stores results in the result set. In here, if we need to add if the flight is found, fills the form with data, otherwise shows a not found message. Then in here catch, as I said earlier, it handles and prints any exception during the search, so that we can see this error search flight. So we have to move the update method. This private void prepares an SQL update query to change existing flight info. Then we have here try. It sets the new values for departure, arrival, and set count, targeting the flight by its number. So as you can see, we have int here. So if the update affected any row, show success, otherwise indicate flight not found. And we have here catches and logs error. So we have to move here another in delete method. In here, this private void delete flight prepares an SQL to delete query to remove a flight by its number. And this try executes the delete query in here. And if a row was deleted, clear the form and show success, otherwise indicate no flight was found. Then catch, another handles and logs errors. Then we have last the main method, which public static void main. It launches the application by creating an instance of a class, which runs the store and builds the UI. So we have to run this. Successfully. Here, this is the new one, Paris job. Then we need to search it. Flight found. Here, the flight found. Then add to update it. I am in create again, then update. Then here the 3 double Paris 2, you can see. Then need to delete it. Flight delete, then refresh, and yeah, we're not found the 3 double Paris. So that's all. Thank you.